There we go. Alright, this is Ranks. We have at Sabo Beach. What is it? Owenson? What do you know? Owenson? Yes, and the water is cold. We're gonna have a sunset soon. How are you doing, Terrence? You're at the beach. Say hi to Terrence. Terrence on. When you, I don't, eh? Ice cream truck. Okay, I'll let ice cream truck come in. I'll let it hold on for me. I go get me ice cream.
Hanging out at the beach. This is your girl Sweetness alongside Ranks and Sebastian. The beach is packed today. It's a long weekend, July 1st, and it's just beautiful. Can't ask for a better day to be at the beach. Ice cream truck on the beach. And I'm hanging out on my beach blanket, watching the sun go down. Hi, Sebastian.
Hi.
Hi, Terry, Za, Veer, Amira, Leah, Momsy, Clint, Zane, Dennis, Vaughn, Matthew, all that checks out our live. Mom, Dad, Haley. Hello, Susan. So right now we're at Sabo Beach. Just enjoying a beautiful day. Daddy's getting ice cream.
Put on the ice cream.
Oh no,
Ice
it's
cream.
huge.
Ice cream for you?
Not dipped in chocolate? Anybody want ice cream?
Oh.
Have a lick.
Careful, eh? Liquid, liquid.
Shouting out to Derek.
That's a nice shade. Let me see that thing.
Yes, it's vanilla.
You should have the ice cream. Yes, no, the truck, the ice cream truck.
Everybody's going to get ice cream because it's so delicious. So So this is your girl Sweetness alongside Ranks and Sebastian hanging out at Sabo Beach in Owen Sound, Ontario, Canada. Shouting out to each and every one of you. Have a blessed day, a beautiful one. And you know how we like to do it. A lot of people packing up and leaving, but we're just staying to watch the sunset. I think we have like an hour or more left before the sun goes down.
Yeah, but what's in the beach is just fun.
So just sitting here and listening to the water is so calming and beautiful. So this is your girl Sweetness alongside Ranks and Sebastian signing out.
Thank you.
Say bye.
Bye.